Welcome to my channel Inonje Beauty. Today I'll be showing you the best way to begin braiding Afro bulk braids. As you can see, my lines and paddings are neatly done. I will take a small portion of hair, add the Afro bulk extensions to it, then pull my client's hair from underneath and braid it 5 times, making sure it's tight. Next, I will divide the middle hair into 2 sections and start twisting down the braid, ensuring I follow the curl pattern of the extensions. Will give you the best results and a pain-free experience. Watch this video to the end to see the final and how my client looked like. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.